Welcome to how to apply for a job in Upwork tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to apply for a job in Upwork. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to go to upwork.com or using the Upwork app in your phone. So first you need to go to profile and create your own profile as you see. Then after you create your profile, you will go to the Find Work and click on Find Work tab. Then here you will find the best matches or the most recent jobs. So I will recommend you to go to most recent because there is a more chance that you will be accepted in the most recent jobs. So you can go to the best job that fits you, like this job maybe. This client has a payment verified and 5 stars, so it's better to find someone like him. As you see, payment verified and 5 stars, so you can click on this ad. So as you see, this is the job description and this is the payment, $90 fixed price. As you see, you can apply to the job from here or save it from here. I will click on apply. So as you see, this job will need 11 connects from you. So I have a lot of connects, so I have some connects, so I can just apply to this job. If you don't have connects, you can go from settings and buy some connects. As you see here, you can go to the connects history, then you can buy connects. As you see, I already have 48. So we'll go back to the job. Here you can put the amount of money that you want. And this is what you'll receive after the Upwork taxes. Here you will write a cover letter like, "Hello, dear client," and you can type the description of yourself and how you will be fit for this job. And you can attach some documents or some videos or any project that you can find to fit this job. Here you'll find the people who bid for this job and you can bid high for them to be the first one that the client will see. You can highlight any project that is on your profile from here. And that's it. You will send 11 connect from here and you will click apply. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.